How to fix a Plague Tale Requiem not launching, crashing, black screen and freezing on Windows PC. 1. Restart your PC. 2. Verify the game files in Steam. 3. For NVIDIA GPU players, disable both GSYNC and VSYNC in NVIDIA control panel. 4. Perform clean installation of graphics driver, remove then reinstall E4 graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Ensure your security software allow a Plague Tale, Requiem through its settings. 6. Unplug all extra devices. 7. Type DX11 or DX12 into a Plague Tale Requiem's launch options. Like this. 8. Run the game as administrator. Like this. 9. Let the game use your dedicated graphics card. Like this. 10. Install Visual C++ files as admin. 11. Disable overlays of all kinds, Discord, Steam, Xbox Game Bar, etc. 12. Update Windows. 13. Lower the in-game graphics and video settings. 14. Uninstall then reinstall the game on an SSD drive, if you can, recommended.